My dear friends, I am Dr. Omkar Prasad Vaidya, MD PhD from King George Medical University, Lucknow. Today I will be discussing the health benefits of meditation. So regular meditation has been instrumental in providing good mental health, and that's why its popularity is increasing day by day throughout the world. So number one effect or health effect of beneficial effect of regular meditation on our body is it relieves us from stress. So all of you know stress is one of the important factor which may leads to increase in the risk of various chronic illness like diabetes, hypertension, obesity, stroke, even myocardial infarction. So regular meditation distress ourselves and removes ourselves from the bad effect of stress, and there it is helping by lowering the plasma cortisol level. That is a hormone that is responsible for causing the effect of stress on human body, and thus by lowering the cortisol level it is preventing the effect of stress on the human body. Thus it is one of the important maneuver or method by which person can go for stress management or distress ourselves from the toxic effect of regular or chronic stress. Next one is regular meditation helps in controlling anxiety. Now, all of you know anxiety is also a product of stress and tension, mental tension. The when a person goes for meditation, it relaxes our mind. It is a calming effect, a soothing effect on our mind. It helps in relieving ourselves from anxiety and other mental health related conditions. Third important point is that regular meditation makes ourselves more emotionally stable, or it helps a person to handle emotion in better way in day-to-day life activity. So it promotes the emotional health. Next important health benefit is that it lowers the level of depression in human body. Means those person because of regular stress passing a stage of depression, mental tension, anxiety, when a person goes for regular meditation, it will lower the level of depression in that particular person. So it is because those persons suffering from stress, it secrete lots of inflammatory mediators like cytokines, and these inflammatory mediators will affect the brain, and it will lower the release of various neurotransmitters responsible for mental happiness or well-being, or so-called mood of a person. And that's why if a person do regular meditation, it is a calming effect on the brain and it relieves us from stress, and that's why cytokine level also decreased and serotonin level also become normal, and finally it helps in lowering the level of depression or progression of depression in a particular individuals. That's why it may also act as a antidepressant therapy. So it is also included in these days as antidepressant therapy along with medication for those persons who are suffering from depression or severe anxiety. It also helps in increasing our self-awareness. Regular meditation improve our self-awareness, self-confidence, self-esteem, and make ourselves in more positive in our view to life. Another important point or health benefit of regular doing meditation is that it increases the attention of a particular person, and it increases the self-awareness of a particular person, and person become more confident compared to other. Another important factor or health benefit of meditation is that it prevents age-related memory loss, as well as it also prevents the progression of the memory loss in dementia patients, especially those dementia, senile dementia or age-related dementia, or which the dementia which is because of aging. The regular meditation increase the mind concentration and prevents memory loss and progression of loss of memory. Thus, along with the medical therapy, regular meditation can be advised in those patients who are having memory loss like dementia, and even in age-related memory loss known as senile dementia. So it can be used as a therapeutic measure in dementia patients also. Next important point or next important factor by which it improves the mental health is that it increases the kindness, empathy, and improve the positive feeling of a particular person. So those person who are very not don't have positive feeling, and those person those who are not kind to others, they may do regular meditation, and it has been found that those person who are doing regular meditation, they become very much kind towards others. At the same time, they also starts having the sympathy and empathy on their mind, on their quality, mental quality, and then they start developing a positive feelings in them. So thus, regular meditation increase the kindness, which is a very important quality in this era. Person with kindness and empathy and positive feelings are highly demanded in our society, and regular meditation improve that qualities, humanly qualities. It also helps in fighting against various addiction. So regular meditation increase the power of our mind. It increases self-control. It will increase the well-being. It also increase the willpower of a particular person. So those person who are having addicted to any drugs or any alcohol, they can, or they want to come out of this addiction, they can increase their power of mind or willpower by doing the regular meditation, and thus the regular meditation also act as a de-addiction quality in those subjects who are on severe addiction or addicted to any drugs or medicines or any substance or bad habits. So they prevents, regular meditation prevents addictive behaviors. So it, regular meditation also prevents craving of a person towards food and prevents the weight gain and obesity. Thus, regular meditation also bring a correlation or equilibrium between the body and mind, and ultimately makes the body to listen to the mind. So the willpower is increased, the mind become more strong, so he can control his mind and he can do whatever his willpower promotes. So if he wants to live free from alcoholism or want to get rid of any drugs or any addictive behaviors, he can do that by resort to the regular meditation. Another important factor is that regular meditation decreases the food cravings. I already told you, and regular increase in food cravings is responsible for overeating and is one of the important factor for obesity. So regular meditation decrease our food cravings and person can lose their weight and ultimately prevent obesity. So regular meditation also increase the self-image of a person, and thus they become conscious of their health and they become conscious of their weight, and that's why they can stop excessive intake of food and they become more scientific in their day-to-day life activity. Regular meditation also improve the quality of sleep. So all of you know sleep is very much important physiological phenomena by which human beings can control their metabolism. It also has a good effect on our cardiovascular system, and persons who are deprived of sleep or suffering from insomnia, they are more prone to cardiovascular risk like myocardial infarction, also known as heart attack, stroke, also known as brain attack, then hypertension, diabetes, obesity, and many other complications. So those persons who are suffering from insomnia, they do regular, if they do regular meditation, their quality of sleep will enhance and they will be free from the effect of stress or insomnia, and gradually the risk of all diseases because of insomnia will be decreased. So they improve the quality of sleep and as well as well-being of a particular person. Regular meditation also increases the peace of mind. At the same time, it is a mental well-being and helps in mental relaxation. So it's one of the important mental exercise. So meditation, just like physical exercise, meditation is a mental exercise for human beings. It helps in increase the peace of mind, relaxation of our body, relaxation of our mind, free from anxiety, free from tension, free from depression, and overall mental well-being of a subject will be increased because of regular meditation. Regular meditation also helps in controlling pain. So those persons who are suffering from regular pain or suffering from intolerable pain, if they do regular meditation, it will inhibit the progression of a chronic pain. So like carpal tunnel syndrome or lower back pain, those who are taking medication for some pain or control of pain, if they do regular meditation, their chronic pain will be decreased. So they can be relieved of chronic pain if they go for regular meditation. So thus regular meditation also helps in handling chronic pain. Last important point is that regular meditation also has a good effect on our cardiovascular system. It also helps in lowering our blood pressure by creating a sympathovagal equilibrium, which is the most important hypothesis or mechanism behind the development of neurogenic cause of hypertension. Now, according to recent concept, the hypertension development may be because of inequilibrium or disequilibrium between the sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. So normally, to maintain a normal blood pressure, there should be equilibrium between the sympathetic activity and parasympathetic activity. And hypertension develops because of sympathetic overdrive, when the activity of the sympathetic nervous system overshoots or more than the parasympathetic nervous system. And because of the sympathetic overactivity, there is increasing force of contraction, increasing heart rate, increasing the cardiac output, and which creates the hypertension in various person. So it may be created in situation like fight, fright, and emergency situation. So if the situation persists for longer time, then chance of development of hypertension is sure. Now, regular meditation will have a soothing effect on human mind. It will improve the body-mind interaction. At the same time, it will create a equilibrium between the sympathovagal balance. So it helps in sympathovagal equilibrium, thus it helps in maintenance of the normal blood pressure. Or for those subjects who are having hypertension or in hypertensive subject, they can resort to regular meditation. It can lower down the blood pressure. So along with the antihypertensive, in regular yoga and meditation is always advised, as it is a sound and soothing effect on our cardiovascular system. It lowers the cardiovascular system hypertensive situation or lowers the blood pressure and increase the overall well-being of a particular person. So these are the various important effects of meditation. So as a doctor, it's my advice to all of you, all of you try to include exercise also in your day-to-day life regime. At the same time, add meditation as well as yoga along with the physical exercise, as they are a sort of mental exercise, mental well-being, brain health. It will improve the brain health and it will free us from depression, effect of stress, effect of anxiety, make us more happy, lowers the blood pressure, and increase our overall well-being and increase the peace of mind. So I should say regular exercise has a positive effect on the human mind and calms our body, and it has a relaxation on our mind. At the same time, it also has soothing effect and good effect on the cardiovascular system. It lowers the blood pressure and also free a person from various addictive behaviors. So it is so many importance. So it is always advisable as a doctor. So please add a routine meditation schedule in your day-to-day activity and free from many diseases, and take the benefit of the meditation on humans' health. Thank you very much.